Hi, I'm Steve from 2Cat Media and welcome to another video. In fact, welcome to the channel in general. Welcome, my friends. And if you hear any cars going past, it's because I'm on a main road and I've got the sun glaring on the side of my bald head. But don't worry about that. So in today's challenge, I'm going to be doing my DJI Mini 2 and I'm also going to be doing flying that drone while sitting inside my car. Yes, I'm going to try it anyway, at the very least. I'm a bit nervous because I saw a few people do this, and some people in the comments say, no, you shouldn't be flying inside your car, it's a big metal box. And other people say they sit at home and they fly down the street. So I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it for you guys. I'm going to try it for me, actually, so I can keep warm. There you go, another car there. So let's try it. See you in a minute. And as you can see here, we are approaching 1,000 meters, all while flying inside the car. And as you can see here, we are approaching 1,500 meters, 1.5 kilometers. Absolutely amazing. And here we are approaching 2,000 meters, 2 kilometers past. Absolutely amazing. this car place here to on the right hand side. I was going to pass over it and I thought, you know what, it might just interfere, but it seems that the signal was lost anyway at around 2,168 meters. So at that point, once the signal was lost, I'll press return to home. Enjoy the footage. So, what do you think about this flight? I mean, 2,168 meters flying from inside of my warm, cozy car. It was about 4 to 5 degrees centigrade outside, so it was a bit nippy and a bit chilly. And yeah, I could have stood outside, but I think this was a perfect test. It opens up more options in general while filming as a creator and also as a hobbyist as well. Listen, this has been a great video to make for you guys, and a great test as well. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big warm in your car thumbs up. And also down in the comments below, let me know what you do as regards, do you fly inside your car or from inside your home? Let me know in the comments down below, or any questions that you may have as regards this video. And if you are new to the channel, then please press subscribe right now and be part of the exclusive yet elusive community that is 2Cat Media. Until the next video, stay safe and drone on.